In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate purchase order processing in Asana using AI Studio by creating an AI-powered rule the right way. By the end, you'll have a smart automation that checks for missing details and nudges the right person so nothing falls through the cracks. Start by logging into your Asana account and opening the project where you manage purchase orders. Make sure this is the space your team already uses, so the automation runs exactly where work happens. At the top of the project, click Customize. This opens the panel where you can tailor how your project behaves. Next, select Rules to see all the automations tied to this project, and then click Add Rule. Choose Create with AI Studio. This is where the magic happens. In the Create input box, type a clear prompt that describes what you want. For example, when a purchase order task is added, check if vendor name, amount, and due date are missing, and notify the assignee. Keep your wording straightforward and specific, using the same field names your team recognizes. Then click Continue. Asana AI will automatically generate the rule logic for you, breaking it into 3 parts: when, check if, and do this. Review what it creates to make sure it matches your intent. You should see the trigger set too. When a task is added to this project, the condition should read that it will check if required fields are missing, and the action should be to ask for information or notify the assignee. This means as soon as a new purchase order lands in the project, the rule scans for essentials like vendor name, amount, and due date, and then prompts the assignee to fill in what's missing. If you want to give the AI extra guidance every time the rule runs, such as tone, formatting, or where to direct questions, toggle Guidance for AI and add brief, helpful instructions. This step is optional, but it can make the messages clearer for your team. When everything looks right, click Create or Publish to activate the rule. Now it's time to test. Add a new purchase order task to the project and leave one of the required fields blank. You should see the automation kick in and notify the assignee to complete the missing details. If it doesn't, double-check the task's assignee, field names, and that those fields are set as required in your project. That's it. Your purchase order process is now smarter and more reliable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.